So this is the ETSU Healthcare Coronavirus Testing Collection Site. The hours of screening and registration will be 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, and the hours of collection at this site will be 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. What we need people to understand is this is not a site for medical evaluation. If you are acutely ill, you may need to call 911. And if you're sick and need to be seen by a provider, you need to call your primary care physician. If your primary care physician is unavailable or you do not have one, then you're welcome to be seen in the ETSU internal medicine or family medicine clinics. We also want you to understand that we're also testing in the clinics. This is simply a collection site, not a medical evaluation site. So what we want people to understand about this collection site is that there will be no medical evaluation here. The screening, pre-screening registration should have already occurred. Our two objectives here are to expedite the process so the healthcare providers are exposed as little as possible. And of course, ultimately, we want to test as many people as we can. Keeping that in mind, though, this is a new process, so for the first few days, the process will be limited in number as we modify our processes and ensure that we're keeping our healthcare providers safe. So patients will need to call ahead. As I said, this is not a medical evaluation site or a registration site. We verify registration and screening and proceed directly to testing. If they have not registered or screened through the ETSU Health hotline number, they will be given a flyer that gives that number, and they will be instructed to call that number to pre-register, pre-screen before they can advance in the collection site. At least initially, we have to somewhat ration the test kits because we have them, but we don't have an unlimited supply. So the symptoms we're looking for are fever and respiratory symptoms that would include either shortness of breath or cough.